Among arrest, yung kidnap, yung abduct, yung kidnap, arresting officer kata tofolanya. You know, police are giving me free words and free conducts. It seems as if there is no respect and decorum among some of the police officers. And for that reason, I'll be sending a courtesy call to the IGP to discuss the conduct of the police. I felt like my fundamental human rights have been violated. For more than 7 hours, I couldn't call my family. Who is the police to treat me in that way? Honey recruits will find a free words will find senior nyal. I'm facing nonsense. Police are taking photographs of me sitting on the floor, trying to humiliate us, as if this is a dictatorship. Let the Gambia police force know that they must regulate and remove those flimsy services. Ndata Sanya during the last arrest, police officer Belorim Ndata abe Mandarin Dolola. Why? In that police station there.
First time.
Fine TV, ala baraka wake, kontanta, ala baraka.
Say from introduce more
Ha, andele mu Hakim Toure, Galala national organizer. Yeah.
Hakim ngaji fana spoke no play nata nanja. Sa fono mo le mune fena de.
Amante bida mati because nga min long. Sa fono ko lulung dol gatraja na as far as nga most of mi yalang ko amantra ke la suwo kono. Buka dol fana buka tarana suwo kono. Ndami make sure wala mo amari yalang ko adabe muto kono le. But more le fana be banda mini ba make sure kanko ala taroning inside ay tara muta kendo to je and muto la yanta ka receive don be banda don ka make sure I will receive in there and in ning atra mari yanta ka bel soto ngatara negotiation wala kon so one and always we are always outside for them. Yeah,
particularly useful fit tani data cool ikila opinion no, do you think their rights were violated?
Yeah, ila rights will violate obviously because niya ajibe ifun iye muta dalilo milna isa min fono wala mo anikuya wartale because imam finti ka anything ga miya lang go isa foko criminal activity long all they were asking for is this pura to stop exploiting consumers ibe minke kan halaba dingol la min yalan ko ron yanda ka tarawole la tanko ani sonaya nyiri ka wolle rada e tolbe company solle makoy kan katara consumer sol exploit kan so wala na nyuru fudira no but unfortunately masakunda ani Gambia police force ya tandi ko manyang ka fundi kela wo concerned ways which is so unfortunate definitely. Yeah,
if na yele funding ke tolbe slow kono apa ha tel fening amang kumaya tel fe ite mnesto message wo for wale.
Okay, all wo opinion on se mi fo wala mko amanke opinion do mi anko akende ya la man sahaya nga nka ndeko woje nyame personally in my opinion ke to la woje nyame wala ko ibe criticizing nella you understand because to la sioje ka je ko nyini min fundira outside all man yanka fundi ka nyin ko challenge it doesn't mean ko it be serious wo kono it all ya soto nyin nol de like it all they can afford data but mini fundira all cannot afford data. I saw people here I mean anko they are my too and me sandi jelong even data becomes much more expensive than it is right now. Those people will always be able to afford it. Dol funtita amanke ko ifuntite fangole but ibe funtika molle ibe nyin kilo ko molle min yalon ko akoyte mala fer ko wolte nyin afford la no so fay funti not everybody min funtita ama afford no it's not like that belbe serious so kono we all know they cannot afford it but critics all like I always say critics will always criticize ida kay ni funtita pour que la ko mi regulate tare ki la ko ke critics e kana wol danku because they will always criticize and ni nati tol fonga su kono ki demaje is criticize so mo be ko wol jibe ni fundi da pour que impossible kele. Yeah,
modo ya believe ko gala fitita pour ka jamila looted asset min ko wada ma protect but ngaji alla lon ko tamito fo malale muna tel inspire.
Okay, ola nga fo jere ko gala was just a moment but nada push leto a movement you understand because ni ajibe nyimban ko kono tajirinde ya mandang jamela bagasol damal ngajele ko komin tonya wala buketa gala la guloti sababoti bon ni nada ajibe ko be jamian ko na fulol kasara da miyan ko almost ni mo bina kanyan jamela bagasol bina kanyan so katara siren kaje ko jamela bagasol damal nyanda talol no ngaje ko okay muri de wala kama but how about say nga nyinke movement de miyalan ko abelolal anytime nga moy ko naful kasaro ani naful pisi kasaro mo dan tanke sida ma e banko la abaka tambe hani mo worola ale 30 million US dollars ale akala nyotem while you have other people in the provinces or even in the Kombosi amini anko 3 times a day ita domoro kala no correctly. It is sad. Purka foko jamela bagaso da mamboda mala normal. So we said, okay, now this is gonna be a movement. Mi alanko abelola min kama wala mo ka make sure government official and these public institutions does not exploit people. Ikana molla na fulo jeko itolle tamu min diate ba kala la mota wulla ye ikisi mota wulla ya fo ko nyimbe ke ka mambete ya. Wala gala londi and wala na fana move from jamela bagasol no more cost fana duje. The inquiries is on. The next step will be determined by the outcome of the inquiries. So mbesirim bo badukan. Yeah.
Finally, jani biya ko mo final message.
Yeah. Final message mo de wala mo be banko mo tentula because be jayila fana because ni aji be gala ka fintile all the time comme na finto ka siare but na kontano ka teminde wala nim futita anytime ngaje mol ka finti no ma nyami o dama mo ala tentoledi and for abe jarla nya baba bake anytime yen nyininka pour nga mol tentu nge jayi nge inimba baba bake. Yeah, abaraka.
Assalamu alaikum once again. Mkiledi nada Kalifi Magistrate Court Jani, one of the members of Gala, Nureb Jang Umar Sanya Miyalango is very prominent when it comes to standing against injustice in the Gambia here. Kuman be kondo namba fle bisimla to find.
Yes, abaraka baga cham, abaraka baga. Yeah, thank you very much.
Umar ngaji le mol combat jam poteng. Isafu no mole mune mol bendi jambi.
Yeah, so roughly me and mol fenanda welling there is an appeal for the bail of the 20 more one sabol ni yamin muda. So we bail ning nara wala jang. So wala mol combat jang bi puruka bail ning gram. So they are inside but the boys are not here. But the court hearing is already on. So we do not know the verdict of the results yet. But the court hearing is already on. Coming up for Yamerek, mol si jang to show solidarity to the boys that they should release the boys right now and today.
Umar, you are part of those who were arrested and released, put on bail yesterday. So, if you feel that...
So, coming here, ila yung karon yung kumaya bagay, bari nga alam ko, anyantele, nyantolong, kurubang ko dingwali network ko soto, wala connection ko soto, niya din ako, ifanaba dun wala jaman labang banda baro, puri ni mo sa katano, ila jaman bundal. So wakumaya bata le puru harama dingo wo fongo beng na harama ding nyantol le kono bari ngalo ko the global village le kono and we cannot go away or we cannot go without internet. So it becomes very important for the Gambian people to come up and then say issues that reflect on our needs and aspirations. So wala atina finitana ka diamo ke wala ka nabalamba itandi ka irani mo lako wo bel wo tarif kudo nying pure min dundi tarif lang mi alon ko a tarif woni mambe da andum comme nga fonu nyamen dorong ndeb mama membe sade ko membe village ko no ate wo tarif woni sorlano kantum 14 days 10 gigabyte or 12 gigabyte it's $500 or something close to that. So mo be alon ko mo min bo dula wolte wo sorlano andu nga ba ko yara bakale pour dung jaman la bam panta ba ko no witato so alon ko wo mun na nyantolde pour nga finti ngata mol kanka fo ko alla nyim minke amanyang anu nganya ka keten ko mo banko di wala nyantolti pour kana balamba itandi mol
on ninki do betara series fo kono e ba mi la ko ni protest is useless. What message do you have for them?
I don't know about what Jamala use la mol kan but coming for wala ko ni da mantra kuto ni da mantra banko do ko court injustice everywhere is a threat to justice anyway. So be ni molle ba kono ye muda ye somebody mind be to labaji bar sama modo se tarano je mi yalon ko ida fo se tarano je dembo so kono dem ton kana protest la so coming for wolen ko ni mom banko be do kolti so nin sama nin ko nga finti mo be finti ngana nyanto
ko jani be ko mo gel ko malla ba man
ko en bafla gameno do nga muda nyo fe bari ni mom banko do kolti ando mbele ba kono so ni mom ko dem yalon ko banko be le nyanda ka kontana ko wala bare wulita ka banko mo le la nyanto kel so wanyandi kel la do mo be nyanda ke jele ke muda mo ngane je ko mo le mi ko banko jawol muy naka da banko jawbe keri ne bi o mo ni mo le mi ko e ka fengol la mo kam mi ko banko dingol ta talano so ko nga fa nyamen doro wala ba kala nak mala
be ko don na ma fle welcome once again file to amoy fana mo le ko mi ko e ares kununko isafo no mole minane ares
baraka baga kibuda kununko kabrim mol na jang naraga na solidarity ta kanyi dandi na koliko la ni arrest no apira la bundaro Kairaba Avenue kabring mulnim police bu la ñola jang tumala min ne ko be na bor sambala kare sama mile to remind ndol balanta wala karun ko mal luwatinya lu am yalan nyala mi yalan ko ñanda ke sama remind fanal ko na bor ta mile to police la tiaga so fay ni bu la ñola westfield jang kabring bora jang do combat national youth parliament nara match ko do match kata national assembly ka president da ka ni dandila ko public order act police ko min ta kan na banko dingol ta ke mu ke samba mile tu amu ko di nyalon kan luwa manta ba ni nan luwa da la ko nyanda kan luwa ta ya bondi na mara kitabo kon so mesilo kan kata kabin 5 sali Hamza Barat meta kan towards mile 2 na group police group tara lori mo nyaato ay mo ni kagara mun don kon kata banjulle national assembly ka petition summit je ko be ko waro tammi dale ndefrano national assembly la premises to sonko ko sang bida banjul bijoro nan ku na sena sama ngamuruna national assembly e ko non de banjul access no la e ko mole ko you are on the arrest you mo arrest wona le mo sama nan kan fi PIU den ye mo process you mo sama banjul headquarters you mo detain je ya nin kemo fati wala be no siloka anin fondin ke jamal anin kono fanan lo bari bu fanan na fondin ke la député fanan bijele Abubakar Makalo anin fondin ke jama anin siarar fanan na fondin ke la député la Clark fanan bijele min kara mayamna e bati mol be ni siloka yemol be mu yemol arrest yemol detain for 1 day and a half you can say and then kabre mol detain fanan inana luwati nyaro fanan ta ya la mol kan mo arrest inyanda ke fang identify as a commander until the arrest come. So in case anything happens, mo ba na ko ni arrest. But police when mo arrest, abalanda ka fang identify le. Mo arrest dalilo min fanana, o fanam mamfo, and mo sambala fanan. Mo detain le for more than 3 hours, which is the said according to law. Mo arrest 3 hours inyanda ka phone call diala ala molta ay contact ko yang arrest den be ndua karele isala wera about long. But you will deny phone call for 7 hours. After 12 o'clock at night, you come to more call, which is already late to make a call. And you will deny also to call to have an attorney to defend us. And then you have to come forced to obtain our statements, which we refuse until when we have attorney present to give our statements. So you don't call to me and call Lapunta Banjul, Kabri will arrest.
How do you feel? Video call
ñu ko di ñalan ko ani ko warta baake ndelo banku di wol lati fundi da peacefully min ci man funti min do ko man funti min bere man funti fundi la mo ko we are demanding for a fair treatment of citizens ni na raji in no da serda and ordinary citizens of this country does not have a salary scale of 10,000 per month so ni na raji internet serda baake mo le mani boro sang ina internet finance sang rokole wala bagale so fundi ram demand ke kan ko masakunda de funje sterta piram yana ko masakunda la lo de internet rata ya kala gambe banko ni fang so ni inara luwa jawo ta kala mulka ani ko warta bagale na family wol ta kabre mo sorom but we are all for a good cause so ndel gambe dingol le fe de gambe le fe mantram na kun na kelo ke ganja le kelo kan gambe dingol bele including the police ni alon ko wolle fana mo arrest so ni ani ko warta bagale
ke mune message de so fola masakunda ani nyaton kol
ne message mi ram masakunda wolam ko am masakunda yanda ka lon ko jambe bi won mi janne ay fe resirin golle jang an golle fana simbi je ni do luwa dira fana ni naka luwa dira luwa mi yaron ko abe jambe bi de kala e tanka bay ni naka luwa dira luwa mi yaron ko abe jambe bi mu dala e mantora so ni luwa civil nyanda ke bonni na constitution ko min luwa kilo latna ngo nga ya jambe kala na bondi jang ni mol funda ko dela balamba ni na ko lam yaron ko e man ta ko banko kan ya jambe ke mu dala arrest so non luwa kilo hani sabe tamaka anni ko ya warta bakale ngel mo banko di wol leti na nyam to solo ka funda kan na balamba ni ko lam yaron ko e man ta ko kan na banko kan o masakunda man na kamul sorom so no masakunda dan la ni luwa si falta e bondi surtout na national assembly member ngamul tang elect pour CJ inna kamata ya kanta ina naka ni luwa si falta le projet baki ye bondige solution min fara janne because ako electoral reform solo kabra fara man sakunda naga electoral reform min fa imaka fully ya have the my reform have my reform nara ko e ka bilal min yalan ko e ka million laaje pour mo le contest election la Gambia bank kan akamda ila fa ko mo la nyaato nga yafna min na fulo so e contest no la which is not right, it's not correct. Ndong yalan ko defana mbura mo le bala mi yalan ko alam mi so karafa na fulo la defana resule kake nyaato ngol di banko kanja so amunda ko ni wasi ba ko banko kan e bengol dina kan na rappel so mo masa ko ngadan la ni wasi fa le kana dindi mo la na marati ta wokon e lo ni mi yalan ko gambe di do tankala mbetara sabadiri ni banko kan karo ni tan ko kono wala fana mi diaram toliye ya
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Me and Nasi Nanjang walem banku do kuwati because nga feel ko as Gambians nta keno landamma konsena ngambulo la nyoka nga nyoma ko especially young people since we form the 75% of the population and we are the ones that can fix the system. We own the power, we own the votes. So in times like this, we should always be together because human beings, when they come together, it's always powerful for them to gain victory. So I am here to also bail one of the detainees, who is Bubakar Ibrahima B. Keita. All right. Since I am not in mile 2, the least I could do is to come out and bail one individual out of the rest.
In your own opinion, do you think their rights were violated?
Of course, big time. Their rights have been violated because I've been saying this over and over again. If we want to look at the Public Order Act and give our back to the Constitution that guides us, it's like we are misleading everyone. All right? The Constitution gave us the right to assemble. All right? The right, those are fundamental human rights. So obviously, these individuals, their rights have been violated. And I'm hoping that the government and our lawmakers will reconsider, all right, the things that they have put across for the bailing options. That is the 50,000 grant. All right, we are hoping that they will do something out of it. Yeah. For Gambian people and for the young people, let's always stand for each other. All right. When times like this comes, let's come out and support one another. They will not kill us. They will not eat us. All right. The only thing they can do is to frustrate us. But then we should always be resilient as youth. Thank you.
Okay. Baraka bake. Baraka ndento batu jaite. Actually, nada jang because lima ikavo me ya jaite wobe nyimpo kono nyimol membe muto kono abe wala kono ate malo adundaje nyame because atadala hajo ladro wolu wo karaba avenue mafan wo kono do nga moy ko be mitin dulale fam because meno jaso la mitin dula mbije nga kibarol moy especially juma nyaati le ka foko protest yara fa on dole be kerimbi ka fo mole no man protest kulon bari amira draw ya bonni mobile on to atata social media and all these media houses also melbe online ngaje ikal fintiji so biri wokera drong amira fonte pareta na mitinora by around 4-5 nganyini ngaro ke munebe keringa ning ya mudale ba nata confirm ko abe mol kono e mel muta yesamba karaba station so ndata jembi je fo nga ko no man because aman kuke amandara gala memba kono amandara amen mol kono any group on membe fora group tijabe men kono safu ko atata wolle to yala also ate atata la hajola je anin fana later on just like moto mal benu nyame mol keta kalo ka ko jibe on Lucas you can call him so afana mbolle kono biringil ya start ka mol mutaje momo be funding caring ye muta nalo ya muta onyale because am funding keldi of course atara hajola je
just like momo after that tembe do ya jabe je ma fala ate fang ni pura ofiso be bulba karola de mano e akara dola fenko dame sudi ada sansero la be lodi nungel modern bookshop ni wo orange sansero mafa so iman chance diala ya muda do nata
biri ke te mu simfa nya leta pour kala ko fana
biri ke da ngawle fotende nga ndoma dol bije ngekol because wol katara fenko to bake social media to bake o fanko non kafjo tija do bije nabe executive committee meeting dula o fanko ha fenko felede jang ikamol arrest so ngalon ko to nyalo mafa because do bije ya bondi ngaje police fula ya muda so ngalon ko telem kabri wo ke dan tade noma ibe dame wala tata ke Kairaba station di towards Bakau traffic light Johnson Road biri wolu mbe belole fan noma je mo buga kuma koy fo ni dada dodo fa yata police ole bundal be muda o station o da ni jana station dol me yesamba je kanifi so nieni ni kai ka fo ele koy manku so da ko kono fo kuno mu order from the above jajele fo ni wadi me wole kumo fo ka wole fo for lastly another futa nyi to tenko ngalon ko 72 hours ni okera bel fenko mandatory detention period banta and then nyanda ye release o ye na court ngalon ko ye wole nyamoto ke monde kunun ko 25 ye na di court wujendi ndrong ko ha ibidari man mo me yalom fam kamem fate nani court keda mara buneke because akeda kamun ka drone safo he was an onlooker because ala school be kele fire bang a university ka bala resource drone baduko ay bandi abe steering bundo barim fe ndebe steering farato o somanda fandalo na kada biko ke balon so wala keda after amena be detention o kono foka na samba remand mile 2 so mba expect kanko wolumfa wo monde men tambida nyanda nunka ibula because hani mumebe anadra tara ko mol kono komen ko ya proof ka ya tarajele fay role play but anyanda ka bel nole it's not an unbearable offense. There is no rape, there is no murder, there is no conspiracy plan to plot to perhaps be part of those trying to decide negatively against the government and the people, or to participate in any burglary or any practice that is, heinous and forbidden. He has not participated in that, and never, in fact, has he, and I believe will he, unless by God. Nyadon call, mbafora ko ya understand ko dindin ya yanda ke release forever ka free fan because inada je dame imam makam fan kije mel nata je ko kono mol men be benda je dol tambito loda dol jida modo la drong e kafta mol ma membe lorin ka jibe mune bijam police ya start ka mol preparaje wo kono limu fon min kedi drobe dawda yemuda so mbe ya marla ya ye police fan advice ye la mol oriented yalo mol meta nyim fole example ol keda jannum former regime TRRC nada dolbe kono lota je wodumo ndemu dinnilati mankol kenyalo an ngalon ko internationally ni be mol bula kada mol kan pour ka oda maintain for wo film for dulalen for demonstration nyanta yadara mol men kana o role play ali engage ye advice ko ye na lawful action you apply with minimum force for a press down no so fan ni muta ye samba ye sort out for sa jibi alon no ko mele actually ye role play comme ko itel nyako do men mu luanda yat natra yo sute no mol kono so salo nyanda mo mol kala nya mel ma role play ye wol bulayte la hajola because nyanda alon no la one ni mugala membati ba two wala famu kafudol ni like Edward Francis Senda Moleti ba or the other one Gomsa Bopa group le ni amwoti fa woto sa suti andi no ko number 2 ni na aje ko amanke woti
and then maybe for bala mobile wala jibe la bank faka previous communication to pour ñin lu la planning o wato le sa associate no bari dama okay ye pound sa kan abe lori innocently drunk mo fula fanka mol japinga wonya o man correct of course nanya nyoje brave Kairaba station dara je sinya fula wo fa lafta nun ka ko ndima because nga medical report so donu me alon ko me biara kopio biang wa be na mobile ko atay bank medical report SD clinic apo bamba bala mina jibe nyo medical report so medical report lafta wale dandi la police la yalo ni for more than a decade asthmatic patient ala ma ko roto andin amedia doctor kafa Dr. Navid Pakistani doctor je wo ala ma ko roto wala ma ko fonyi jara dani odami so lafta vola police le ni nyi mudandi la nyi selol kona man ventilator deteta ibara life kala in danger or at risk ngawo foye ko ha bari la nyaton kol jana ni nga futandi no so mama nada ko de ke jam wolum biriye di sambari man lafta magistrate o jela jam fam pour kawo kayto itandala ko magistrate o close sale principal magistrate tara lifo tangod kunun dara mile to prison ngamel dara bunda do ngaitandi no walla ya lamoy ya jibe ya samba kono iko ba itandile la doctor la because in kaitandila nyala nyin dundi nyin dulal to je deteta man ventilate ni atata fa asma attack sono albe batala je biko albe mirala ka sika ka ros emergency asarra ndelbe jamfaring andun tumando fan adalta treatment sono la Ahmedia Hospital Dame or Dr. Navidia assigned at a clinic at Caniving Estate lafta yewono thank God indone wotale ko ba kadala yara yari assess medical ila doctor ya jibe faabe bata ku soto la fata soto
delafta men fala gambeno wolen dal ndol be mu gambeno le ndol te membe gambe tinyala ndol te tarla woto membe gambe telante tarla woto gambe la tanyato ndol wole ko mo suta teli and wala tin nan nata lo jan kaji ko banko luwala ka samba luwal fana nyanta kala pulti me alon ko nyanta ka jibe bakala so wala tin nan nata jam ndela diamo beta ta nata justice la sabun tol nata jam amanke politikote amanke fente to nyaay sabate boy sol manyana tarla mal tu kato ko yakayto le mutay lota dol ka fo mu setanol momo ya miran tol mu setanol kenen setanol momo ya miran tol ni setan le do ko eta mu setanol e ka fo
so official the president ye variadi ko high level committee or high committee le lo pour kaji ko telecommunication ko official crucial ani on pour que ila tamanyal pour ka kiskisi par kunun ne information fi bitu anatale after alla ni balambaya finto balambaya
man sa kunda be commission londino la nyaare le fiura la ko pour que la ko jibe foka bone men tata ko samana yewol soron itol fon ka kuke kate fam ike fan contradict wala ka kuke ta fon ya lon ko iman ika kuke me alon ko anin ni sila do manta ani la ni action do manta wala munti fa pure ni GSM wala nyanda tala ja the expense of ndol men ya lon ko mu citizen salt in Gambian black kilnati sometimes men ka de divija walem atol journalist sol loyal ntol citizen sol men be jang mbekatu wuliya falam fayne rek mo be lola court fala jan dol be lola fen ko fala jan ata to nyaabe sabadre be sondo mo kon dala ka balang wa sondo mo bu ka balang so ngam fan da handi nyin diam bal ni nyin court fen ko lambe yal ne mu to nyaate sondo mo kon so nga nyo da handi nyin diam bal la nyin krep karapo ne mu to nyaate nga tama wala nga nyaakas nin ko banko eta metal la wala kono jan nata no man tama wala banko tita so harama de sondo mo wala bulen famo bet so it's normal kono ya lon they know the truth deep in their hearts
so bar kemo kajale always kemo like last time min kita bri fon ninkel arrest kemo bu ka finti force bar ni arrestin kere kajale afana ka finti le ala balamba
na hajo tambita ka finti kata fenkol la lungolun tabe do ko la jan sanji tambe janyum do banko kan sometimes nga do ko kala from 7 o'clock kata for 12 o'clock so mbe busy ren. You understand? So banin den ngol findira kala balamba ya itande kad accountability chakali bula ni bula ye youth mutajay ben tajala Yes, so youth soul bula yela freedom of right established. Ne youth soul bula itente jalaji. Youth soul bula ta kemo fati wata jala. So simple as that. When youth exercise their rights, why would I go on the streets? Why? Let the youth are here, they are competent, they are capable, they will take over and hold us accountable. But if you hold the youths, you will face me. Let them know that clearly. Among arrest, yung kidnap, yung abduct, yung kidnap, arresting officer kata to you know, police are giving me free words and free conducts. It seems as if there is no respect and decorum among some of the police officers. And for that reason, I'll be sending a courtesy call to the IGP to discuss the conduct of the police. Kurum birimbe selo kono dolbeje me alon ko 6 days beje, dolbeje me alon ko 10 days. Follow aman so. Selo kono be noring. In fact, I'm going to organize a cleaning to do that. Because kunu ngenyi nka broso nimfen kolal. Let them start giving people their basic fundamental human rights. And I'm doing it. And I move for a treat properly. That respect, mbadu la police will come on lima moy. So it's either nge kuwa yele nga dundije or nge bondi service ye mo la uniform obon. Once you are wearing that uniform, you have to be exemplars decimus, lead by example. Let the Gambia Police Force understand that. So if they are not disciplined enough, I'll be bringing discipline to them. So I'll be seeing the IGP Sidi Mukhtar Toure soon on a courtesy call to discuss these matters, because I felt like my fundamental human rights have been violated. For more than 7 hours, I couldn't call my family, who is the police, to treat me in that way. And recruit from free words for senior. I'm facing nonsense. Police are taking photographs of me sitting on the floor, trying to humiliate us, as if this is a dictatorship. Let the Gambia Police Force know that they must regulate and remove those flimsy services. During the last arrest, police officer Belorin Bundata have a Mandarin Dolola. Why? In that police station there. I wanted to press charges against that police officer. But today is the day that I'll even pick that up, to start with that police officer, because there are witnesses there. Police officer and they all know him there. Pushing citizens. Police with women, and what's going on? Hey, let the Gambia Police Force know that we love the police. My father was a police officer. But they have to exercise decorum and respect. You know, this is not a dictatorship. So that's my take. Left leg in a mile to Ibina Yela Sata Roke about the no free sign. In the came of Fatila Doko Bantajana, Barakabake, and the Fokabaratol press, Monkey Donald Trump, the Barimbal Faram. I'll go on the recording la funding tear gas will fight arresting the Kega. Italian blood Nama get tear gas arresting. Alatra alkalic information can do ban. Imaja Koteng. Be arresting Mansur Man Nakoteng. I was just talking about the press here. You, the press, are always excited when there is arrest and police cases. Important issues are there, such as Kunu police station or no member in courthouse or no touch. But I'll not a camera in courthouse or Alta courthouse or Benin rubbish, Musul be fire in blood, Motukul be park in blood. And this is our house of justice. Look at how dilapidated this place is. At all media, motor concern race. They are boring arresting kada tiaga so fight. I'll tell you issue soul report, many along report. Kunum Selo, and I found people who were there 6 days, 10 days for all the fundamental human rights. So I can't for Donald Trump and press male, but I can't follow Tonya, Mobe Allen, I'll be active for the gas banda. But Santaman Dadiam, Killer Ace, but didn't want not Ebola. Killer Ace and the guys will be speaking here on their voice, Ghetto Pen, Gallas. These are true sons and daughters of this land. They are patriots, and let them continue with their protests. They came off Fatih, I'm busy doing other work. But the youth Mutajang, I will be there.
Bail conditions I meant for B for the follow because I could bail condition $50,000 warranty say no member ID card or passport or landing. Yeah, so for the follow bang bidding tell lumbang was if for no. But Jojo I symbol a waffle ni molka I anya kasiluala I tonya buruka. Yeah, I need quota melon for I mantorola and you can case some bakaso. So, new brother beat of it's up for other ten very Nilbebola B. But the color for a single nuclear, single nuclear and the core and make it a manyan killer and see court and see Hacklow blending, make it a court lotta. It will find a court in the Temple of Justice. Yeah, Temple of Justice. Wolam Bunda, you know, boom member in Purpilon in Tonya. So, ni boom member in Purpilon in Tonya, ni na boom kono. yanda tiluni to nya soronna e manyana ndakaro soronna je e manyana ni toro soronna je e manyana tilimbali soronna je par ni ko ye mo di mo na tenno so brunina da fo ye fan sai ko ya silokan anya ngafo ko alhamdulillah ne tan dum ne jay an ne ya mari ko ne haklo bulandi kume ko londi du kare lo silokan fo faw e kana mo nyako no jibe yaje e kana malu moma e kana sila moma e kana mola na fajibe ye to nyajibe yo tamal dina fajina
so sai dalilo men fo yimbe samana wala purity e jeta price o men set flowing kaje ko gestion cooperative so de tamane wala ana ta wafiro hani sai ako man fix ko man to ngi ni kala dum masa na committee set par han sai man fix mune be kala tel CSO min ya lonko albe ni protest wala pour kaje ko fix mune be kala Allah stetti wala fo masa ko na ni committee ni fix fo ale ti ko so le banko ibe fem thinking le ko ko no mi ya lonko abe kala tel la content ko
no ndel la gabo même Edward Francis Small Center for Arts and Justice follow be même fala wala mi jogu ba nyanda resign the director general of Kura should resign or president ya bondi because ala doko amaka nyama ala doko ay ku disonmenta ay lualetinya ay disonmenta ku dalilo me Kura londi aw dalilo le buruka Kura lotale buruka customers do la nafa ni la nyanto ka kanta kaje ko company melbe lori melbe tel koto ye doko ye efficient quality services di banku dul la nalo ko molka san bar membe keri wolom ni GSM companies wol biri lo rañu banku kanyam ko bi itata banku dul nakari kan yaji molka internet sang molka crown credit sang pour ye kolke e ka kolke lano de Sénégal lano de beteala lano ka kunto e ka internet soto ya sang e bakata kam pour ye video jibe video download o ye WhatsApp kolke eta internet connectivity be abe down the bearing abe ibe load abe round la abukadu muna sabu because internet ni mobile connectivity quality ni atije and mole a jole because mole service ni san so ni san watin be ni GSM company be gambe dul nakari kantenne ibe korota ka molbulu and service me nyanta di la molna ko do nanga moto ito di la molna yo menenta mol fasala wala purat pura nyanta jela ko amanke dron internet ni mobile ada dia bari ko company ibe joral mel londila pour ka service di molla ake quality service pura mo kelo pro work so aminda ko pura ni watimbe itel ni GSM companies yol itel be kan clean ka banko dul nakar and so me nyadon ka ambe sa internet dolom jogubati so joguba ayanda rizala la ay boje so ni committee me ya londi ndeman jiki so la court yaje amanjare ni committee lo manjigi so nje because ni committee man lo ko president faaje le ko anyanta amesholale institutions melba koto ye tama nyama and president yalo the government yalo ko tilimbaliya ani nakaro me yalo ko GSM companies bala kan gambe dil ka yolo ne president be siro nyaa de to so banku dil nate wulta iko pure di solementa manyang même experto de ni industry ko amanyang institutional même para melorim pro banku dil ye melka Council, Gamma Customers, Gamma Competition and Consumer Protection Commission, o fala ko pure di solo menta manya. So kuma melari wonya, mun committee le de ko te membe lola. Ye pura ya fa menya de kala yo ke pura on lonne. Ye GSM company me de lorin kawol fasa, ye o fasa ro bula. Ye banku di fasa. So wala na ni committee amandare pour ni committee na ko be kure kiskis la mel ko pura mawlom ko pare. Pura ya lonne. So in committee ndema njike sotato and so fulanya in committee and nafiki yalom because name committee londi me asabu ya londi wala funding ko le fundi pero funding ko yor black soko ikana fo sele be committee londi la because il y a des jamaa de concerning pour di solementa pero concern funding ko me yitandi ila yor be soron e tiaga so boy kan ida te bra ka so kono e kana fa sa do committee londila e lefta jamala o konsa e lefta ni nyandila bari ni dolbe ka so kono sa man da ko ni committee bu nafiki committee lati amman legitimacy soto so nana de kala committee nanka be lorin to nyane ka nin tinu president nyande men kala folo ko wala fannin ko melbe ngebla kaso kono nge charge nga charge be drop nge bende kaso kono unconditionally bari man charges no drop ibe kaso kono so ko ne committee londi ko committee mun nafiki committee lati o committee man ko committee tilimania committee lo wati
Uncle Mari, you are an advocate of security sector reform. The non-police presence today, you
I made a new security sector reform. Fanang amanter taka nyama. Member je drong Gambia man sakunda and in the security institutions. Ibe nakariala because in the security sector, Melba Depanska, International Committee will never Depanska. ECOWAS, AU, United Nations, governments like France, Germany, Turkey, I mean, you know, and other organizations taring ye million le dundi je ya je nim freda fo bi do sila ku membe ko ka crowd control dalo ko hadi National Human Rights Commission ye guidelines di police lale pour crowd nyata control la nyame yo so nimbe ku membe wonya police kana site ka sati bol e ka tear gas me alon ko international lawyer ban le fan ka use keloto in the war and ko ni protest be kala fan ayenda use nyame fan iko ya dohani ya konne pour ka use je but police na lo mol tema e man den fo mole ye comme kalta bo janjanda mol tema ay maji be jumale bi jan jumade bi wala condition be nyame ya jandi ko security sector reform abe fokan daleto melmu nyaton ko security institutional to anin the government ibe muna fankan di makoro menkana pour security sector reform bari security sector reform nyanda me wulula nyanda falindro menkala e banka o otherwise me brata men kono nyin deun kono atikela yaji an wo nyanda wala fala anin sa na security institutions nyol ibe tama kan ko dictatorship kono security institution ka tama nyame colonialism ko security institution ka tama nyame wolon ka samboni setano boy bolka me alon ko be lorine dron pour ka jela nyanto ya kanta ya je na ko be lorine kaje ko konti boro sutong masa kunda kono me lan ko be lorine kaje ko nafa anin services men nyanta dun hanamari nyanta me sotong na banko de ya so da nyama
yeah so Bao committee ni manji ko sulu ala kono e do francis small say mune be kele atella next step pour kaje hani say ni ko ay
the letter safela to the relevant authorities about this and follow up the report to the police ye aitandila ye Kilimbalia menke the report submit the National Human Rights Commission ka report di police le Kilimbalia menke pour kaje ko contribuer soto the loyal contact la kaje ka ko samba kiti bundato because ye mol arrest nyame dum fondintel ye arrest nyame ye soro nyame ay luale tija an aji ko la contibo yaje so nying anin kudol del mol kala silo ka me alongo constitutional di molla democracy silolom kara silolom ha because del belori men don kaje ko gammi jam ni gamme jam tinu to nyaata an pour tinu to nyaa sabati nyim banko kanja first and foremost the president and our government le primary responsibility so don kaje ko ye loi muta loi silo ye tamo silo la tilim to ya te so ngola wolom tapale ya ye bula do ko men na public of ita kala kam wala na fota ka pisil pasar yaje ka sembota ka asamba molkan ka luwata ka jenken nyinnom tilim baliyati membe dambe masakunda ko rekata ten yaje del belori ne kaje ko woye bay kuyello memu tiling nin toñati an wo woyente sab thank you
Khadija Tijalo A Sao and B Cisa. We are grateful to the IGP. The Commissioner of Prosecution was here and he and his team did not object to bail. And they made it very, very clear that the IGP is not objecting to bail. So we are grateful to the IGP and the team that represented the IGP in court today. As what happened is obviously the process of justice, and we arrived at the destination we want. We want the accused persons to be granted bail. The IGP did not oppose, the court granted the bail. Now the conditions of bail are $50,000 and one Gambian surety who would have to deposit either a passport or a biometric ID card. And the accused persons would also have to enter into self-recognitions that they wouldn't abscond the jurisdiction, that they would be present at the hearing and the continuation of their case. So, Alhamdulillah, it's a win for everybody, for the country, and we hope moving forward, people would learn that we are brothers and sisters, that we are citizens of the same country, and that we should do everything possible to ensure that peace and security are maintained in the country. Because obviously human rights and other things are not possible in a climate of real conflict. And hopefully we would be able to negotiate this matter and solve it more enduringly. So,
what do we hope to see from the Defense Council moving forward? Commissioner Falta, they are granted bail today.
Well, we'll consult with our clients, obviously. We'll take their statements, their understanding of what happened on the 22nd of August, 2025. That would give us an opportunity to prepare our defense. It would give us an opportunity to answer the case of the prosecution. So we'll consult with them. They know the facts. We know the law, but they know the facts as to what happened on that day. So together we will be able to move this forward, and hopefully it will be a happy ending for everybody, for the government and for the accused persons and for the country.
So we are here today because of the Public Order Act that is actually denying citizens to exercise their constitutional right. As a constitutional lawyer, what message do you have for the parliamentarians and the government?
Well, the Public Order Act maybe had its significance. You know, you would recall this is pre-independence era law. It was imposed on us by the white colonialists, because at that time you don't want agitation, especially within the urban area, Banjul and Cumberland prairies. So you don't want people to come out and demonstrate against colonialism. So obviously, how do you control them? You control them by the Public Order Act. So I believe the Public Order Act obviously needs reform. The government needs to look at it very, very carefully. Yes, the government has the interest to ensure that security prevails in the country, but you have to do it within the law. And I believe that the Public Order Act should be repealed as it is, and maybe new conditions put in place as far as they are geared towards the better security of the Republic of the Gambia.
The passport, you can start making communications. And then any other boy that is also, anybody that is here, want to bail one of the boys and you have your passport, please let's facilitate 23 passports right now and then be on a standby to have the boys bailed out. Family members, non-family members, biometric passport. Either family members or not, if you have your passport and you want to help us, or you are a family member or at home somebody have a passport, please let's facilitate that as quick as possible. Alright? So that's the information for now. Let's stay calm and we see the next actions, right?
Yes.
Thank you.
Our driver.